Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Rina Karlina from the Faculty of Economics and Business, Universitas Negeri Jakarta. Today, I'm going to present about my topic, which is examining the mediating role of social media capability and marketing capability in the link between digital literacy and MSME tourism performance. MSME play a major role in the country's economic growth. According to Al-Kersi in 2020, MSME have a big role in the economy of all countries by providing jobs and GDP or gross domestic product. The Ministry of Cooperative and MSME said that the contribution of MSME to GDP is 61.07%. The contribution of MSME to the Indonesian economy includes the ability to observe 97% of the total workforce. Of this 97%, 70% or more than 30 million MSME jobs are in the tourism and creative economy sectors. In 2020, during the COVID-19 pandemic, it was recorded that 93.63% of MSMEs in DKI Jakarta were affected by the COVID-19 pandemic. Namely, a number of MSMEs closed their businesses, some had to change their business types and did not run their business temporarily. Only a small portion of MSMEs were able to survive and seize opportunities during the pandemic, such as pharmaceutical, medicine, and traditional medicine businesses and chemical goods and businesses, according to Badan Pusat Statistik DKI Jakarta in 2020. The MSMEs experiencing the deepest decline were accommodation, food and beverage, and transportation. The accommodation and food and beverage sector declined by minus 20.02% in the second quarter of 2020 compared to 2019, while transportation created by 30.84%. Other MSMEs in the tourism sector also experienced difficulties such as motorcycle and car rentals and handicrafts. According to Ali and et.al., in 2020 state that MSMEs are known to have relatively low performance. Boston Consulting Group and Blibli show that only 20% of MSMEs owners in Indonesia are digitalized. This figure is relatively low, considering the large number of MSME owners in the country, according to Ramli in 2022. Hanung Harimba Rahman, Deputy for Small and Medium Enterprises at the Ministry of Cooperatives and MSME, said that the digital literacy of MSME owners is still low. This is evident in the fact that only 18 until 19% of or approximately 12 million of the 64 million of MSMEs currently utilize digital platforms to market their goods and services. Deloitte Access Economics found that 36% of national MSMEs still are conventional marketing methods, and only 18% of MSMEs have used social media and websites to market their goods or services, according to MediaIndonesia.com in 2023. The decline of MSMEs, while MSMEs have a major role in economic activities and that MSMEs throughout the world depend on the tourism sector for their income, and in an effort to improve the performance of tourism sector SMEs post-pandemic, digital literacy, marketing capabilities, and social media capabilities are required. Desianti and Kasim in 2020 said that performance is the result of individual and company work over a specific period of time. On the other hand, marketing capability refers to the ability to handle marketing mix strategies, for example, pricing, sales, communication, and product development, according to Pratono and Mahmud in 2015. Research method. This study used a quantitative research approach. The population in this study were MSME owners or managers in the DKI Jakarta province, Indonesia. The instrument used a closed-use questionnaire both online and offline. The instrument was measured using a Likert scale. And then for the result, it is found that the first one is that from the algorithm and bootstrapping results, the first finding revealed that there is a direct significant positive effect between digital literacy on marketing capability, indicating that hypothesis 1 was accepted. Second finding states that digital literacy cordially relates to social media capability, showing how hypothesis 2 was supported. And then the third finding reveals marketing capability is not favorably impact performance, revealing hypothesis 3 is not supported. And then for the fourth finding demonstrates that social media capability favorably impact performance, revealing that hypothesis 4 is supported. And then for the fifth finding states that marketing capability is not favorably mediates the relationship between digital literacy and performance, revealing hypothesis 5 is not supported. And then the last one is that the sixth finding is that social media capability is favorably mediates the relationship between digital literacy and performance, revealing hypothesis 6 is supported. There is all my presentation. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.